Hey guys, welcome back. It is day 2 in Utah. It is Thursday, and today is going to be a busy day. So it's about 9:30 right now. We just had breakfast and we all ate, and I'm just basically gonna try and edit my travel day video. Later on, we need to head over to Target to get a handful of items. I need to assemble my dolls, and we have to go set up the table. So kind of a busy day, but kind of a relaxed day.
I was like, ooh, that's a Bolo Hershey. Look, we got a holo. I'm so tired. A Rolo, Reese, and a Hershey mix.
Alright, so we are just in Target. We are looking for gifts for the baby shower for tonight. I'm in a little scooter because my hips hurt and I want to preserve myself for the show. Alright, so we're out of Target. We got some baby shower gifts. I was in the motor cart because, like I was trying to say, my hips are hurting. They're not doing too well, and I want to kind of preserve myself for the doll show. But yeah, just basically, you probably saw in the clip me walking with Daisy in the scooter, and basically I just kept correcting her to make sure she was in a proper heel position while we were walking, so she wasn't too far ahead or too far behind. Now we're heading over to Michael's to get some stuffing so I can assemble my dolls when we get back to the room. And then the last stop should be the dollar store to get some other items for our baby shower gift. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, so we are back in the hotel room. I gotta assemble my dolls, but I went in and I checked in, and so I wanted to show what is in the Rose 2019 vendor's bag. So this is the bag. It's super cute. I got my little vendor's pass. We got these little pamphlets. They have a Bountiful Baby bottle. This cute little diaper. It's like astronaut themed. We have our doll show pamphlet. We got some magazines. Our calendar. And that's Daisy's toy. Get that out of there. Our calendar. And then this is the box that the Kid of the Year comes in. So this is the COA. Her name is Jasmine. She was sculpted by Wendy Dickinson. I think that's how you say it. Sorry. And she's number 122 out of 450. Here's her face. Super cute little grumpy face. And then these are her limbs. The hands are like so wrinkly and detailed. And then her little feet. And that is our vendor's bag. Alright guys, I'm having a dilemma. I put together this little guy. He's the Joseph asleep. And I love him, and I don't want to sell him now.
He's gorgeous.
Oh my god. And I'm like,
Look at him.
he's so cute, and he's just the perfect size, and oh my god, the face, like, look at him. I made him for the show, and I knew that he'd probably turn out really good, and that I'd sell him probably, and now I just really don't want to sell him. Last year I actually kept my Ashley asleep, which I kept him. That was the Ashley asleep. He didn't sell, so I kept him for my personal collection, and then my niece fell in love with him, and my niece decided to keep him, and that became her doll. So I lost that one, but this little guy is just,
He is adorable.
he's so
He is
cute.
I like him.
And he's like, oh my god. I always like my babies that I make, but like I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I kind of have this feeling like I need to put him out, and then if he doesn't sell, then it's meant to be. But then if someone wants to buy him, I'm gonna be like, no, my heart.
You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. You love him. He is adorable. I love all your dolls, but he's got.
I mean, I've already advertised him too as like a doll I'm gonna be for sale. I don't know.
He's beautiful.
Maybe if he doesn't sell the first, I don't know. I don't know. Because I can't buy a doll this year unless obviously like if I find one that I really, really like and I sell my dolls, but I don't know. All right, I got 2 more dolls to make.
Come on.
And yeah, so. All right, we got all the babies made. They are. We still got this guy. I'm gonna bring him to the baby shower. But I don't know if I'm gonna sell him or not. I don't know. I'm really debating. I really like this little one. And here's Tiger Lily. She's cute. We gotta go set up my table. So yeah, and then we got the baby shower. So we gotta set up, and then depending on the time, we just gotta get ready for the baby shower. I'm trying to upload my travel day, but this internet sucks. So. So here is my empty table, but I'm doing a choose your own gender theme. So we have knitted blankets for sale, but you can choose from girls or you can choose from boys. So we're gonna put the dolls in here tomorrow morning. Daisy's just chilling, so yeah. Alright, so me and Daisy are heading back to the room because it's about 6 o'clock. Gotta get ready for the baby shower. Mom's running to the dollar store really quick to get some price tags because we forgot price tags. But I talked with Shay, who made my Reborn Riker from last year, and she's so sweet. She has some awesome dolls, and I was just looking around a little. So I looked around a little to try to scope out some dolls. I saw some really nice ones. I don't plan on buying a doll this year because obviously financially I have other expenses. Anyways, we're gonna bring the babies tomorrow morning because we just didn't have time. It took us way too long to try and figure out how to put that freaking cubicle thing together. So that's that, and yeah, I'm pretty sure the baby shower is going to be a separate video, so I will have that linked in the description below. And I'm going to try and start editing this video maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I gotta get ready. Did you pack makeup wipes?
No,
Can you get some?
I guess. All right. I don't know if they have it in the dollar store.
Just any, I don't really care at this point. I just, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's for
Well, I'll
like
go
a few
take
days.
the file and see. Yep. All right.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
And here is my outfit. So I just have on this cute little floral dress, and I just pulled my hair into a half up, half down. I got some sandals, just cute little black sandals. Like I said, my makeup is really simple, and I think I look cute. So, all right, so we are back from the baby shower. It is 10:24 and we are back in the hotel. I still have some paperwork to fill out for the dolls, and the baby shower was really fun and everyone at the table was really, really nice. I got to sit with Shay, who made my reborn Riker from last year's show. And so I'm just gonna end this video here, and if you want to see the baby shower, be sure to check it out. I'll have it linked in the description below. But I have some work to do. I gotta eat and get ready for bed, and we have an early morning tomorrow, so I'll see you guys then. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.